Ngibingelele kuwe laleli, ngiyathemba uthaphila-ke. Mina ngizocela kuwe-ke laphana-ke ukuthi-ke mengabe usamusha-ke kulona-ke leli khasi-ke leli-ke wenze okulungile-ke laphana-ke ungixhase-ke ucindezele-ke ibhathini subscribe nje, akubizi imali, kumahhala nje ukhiphe nesenti-ke elimnyama-ke leli-ke khona uzokwazi phela ukuthi-ke uthole nezinye-ke iy'ndaba-ke ezintsha-ke nje ngizoloke ngiyifaka-ke kulona-ke leli khasi-ke leli-ke kusukela-ke manje-ke ukuze ngingakuphuthi lezi ndaba ongakwenza njengamanje ukuthi-ke ungabe ucindezela-ke ibhathini usubscribe njengamanje-ke. Udaba kulethele lona-ke namhlanje-ke laphana-ke umlisa-ke laphana kuveze-ke enye-ke inkinga-ke laphana-ke nge-AMK-ke ngo-2029 ukuthi-ke iyobe sikwiphi-ke isimo-ke nango-2026-ke laphana-ke. Kodwa-ke mina-ke angifuni-ke uthi-ke wezwa ngami-ke phela into enza nje ngidlala-ke ividiyo-ke uzwele wena-ke amagama-ke akhishwa-ke kulo mlisa-ke lona-ke laphana-ke. Mina ngicela phose-ke masuzwile-ke le video le ungene kuma-comment section-ke ufishe uvo lwakho ukuthi wena-ke ucabanga ngani-ke nokusho-ke kulo mlisa lo, ngabe uyavumelana-ke yini naye-ke? Ubhale-ke lapha kuma-comment section-ke bese uyangixhasa-ke ucindezele-ke ibhathini subscribe nje, akubizi imali, kumahhala nje ukhiphe nesenti-ke elimnyama-ke leli-ke khona ukwazi phela ukuthi-ke uthole nezinye-ke iy'ndaba-ke ezintsha-ke ngizolo ngiyifaka-ke kulona-ke leli khasi-ke leli-ke kusukela-ke manje-ke. So ungakwenza njengamanje ukuthi-ke ungabe ucindezela-ke ibhathini subscribe njengamanje-ke nayo-ke le video-ke awuyithokozele.
Come 2029, there will be no more MK party. I'm very sorry for that. And then come 2026, it will never get votes the way they got those votes in 2024 national elections. We're going to see a problem in KZN. A lot of people, they will come to realize that they are just running after a person, not organization. So now what